Hi everybody, welcome back. It's been a while. Thought I would do a video for you guys and show you what I've been working on in my sort of monster creation laboratory out in my garage here. If you follow me on Instagram, you might have seen some of the things that I'm working on and some of the things I've created. So I figured I'd give you guys a little tour and show you what I'm working on and show you some of the progress on one of my more ambitious projects. So thank you guys for tuning in. Hope you guys are having a great week and staying cool wherever you are. And having good luck with your gardening and your projects. And without further ado, let's get over here and I'll show you what I've got. So here's where the magic happens. All this crap up here, this big mess. Evidence. Got plenty of spoons. So I will start on one end over here and we'll work our way over. So this little creature is made mostly of forks. It's a 2-inch mild steel pipe that I cut up and then angled and welded back together. And then I used 76 stainless steel forks and 3 spoons and a couple of chunks of rebar to create this little thing. You could call it whatever you want, a forkipede, a centifork. And then next to him, got one that's got a little bit more color to it. This guy here. So I used a MAP gas torch to heat up the spoons to get them to change colors. The handles and the spoons and everything. This one took a long time to make. I want to say about 8 hours. This one wasn't easy either. This one did take probably 6-7 hours. This one was definitely about 8. 8 hours of cutting and welding. Its body is made from, I guess you can't see them. They're hidden inside there. Those are steel yard spikes. And then I just welded a bunch of stainless steel forks to the mild steel. I didn't use any special welder or anything. It's just a regular mild steel welder. So usually when you weld stainless steel, you need stainless steel welding material. I just don't have the budget for anything like that, so I just used the regular stuff. Summertime, work slow. Still recovering from a back injury. Well, I'm not recovering. My bank account is still recovering from a back injury. So after summer, hopefully I'll be able to get some more projects in the backyard going on. I don't have any news, good or bad, either way, with the aquaponics system. All the fish are alive. Everything's growing. Nothing's leaking. No complaints. So this one's sort of like a mammal, I guess. It's got 4 legs, and then these two are sort of insectoid things. You can call it whatever you want. Use your imagination. And then the piece de resistance. This one here, I've got more than 18 hours into this. If anybody's familiar with the movie Aliens, that's what I was going for here, Xenomorph. If you know me personally, you know that that's my favorite sci-fi genre. My favorite movie villain, monsters. So I've got the body, upper arms, ribs, kind of a waist set up there. And then I've got the legs. Got the legs here. So this one's almost entirely made out of rebar. We got 1/2-inch rebar, and we got quarter. No, that's not 1/4 inch. 9/16, I think, and then a 1/2 inch here. Oops, I didn't mean to drop it. So I might go over the teeth. I don't like the way they look. They're supposed to, in the movies, the aliens take on the form of whatever creature they inject, that they came out of. And normally they have like people teeth. So I just used some forks here just to see what it would look like, but I'm going to change that up. I don't really like that. I'm going to make it more human-like. And it's got the second mouth here. It's got forks on the end and 2 chunks of rebar welded together every 2 inches all the way down, and then that's connected to the back of the head. And then there's a support piece here. And when I'm done with this, I'm just going to clear coat it and leave it be, because I like the colors. Purple colors in there from the welding. And I was going to work on this today, but I'm sweating. It is so darn hot, and I got heat stroke yesterday from working out here too long. So I think we're gonna wrap it up so I don't croak out here. It's pretty toasty. So if you have any questions or comments, and I know you guys will, post those down at the bottom. And yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. And as always, keep building and try to be good to each other. We don't live for very long, and we're not here for very long. Most of you know that already. No fish outro today. You just get to see my messy workstation.